Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making these very cute, adorable coloring books for my clients. If you like what you see so far, stay tuned and watch me make this coloring book. Alright, today guys, we are starting off in Canva, my favorite design tool. So as you guys can see, I'm playing around with my client's image. We are doing a 6th birthday coloring book, unicorn themed, and I just couldn't be more excited to work on this project. So I am playing around with a few different ideas and a few different placements of the unicorn and the client, and it took me a while to kind of figure out how I wanted to place everything, but as you guys can see here, I'm just playing around with it and moving it around into my liking. Also, and here's a tip, I created all of the text inside of PixArt and then uploaded it to Canva. And the reason I do this is because Canva does not have abilities to do gradients and textures inside of text, and that is how I elevate the text in my projects. So you won't see me editing the text in Canva on here with this project. And also guys, the unicorn images that I am using in this project can be found in the description box and the link below. I believe I got these from creativefabrica.com, and they were just the best quality image, just so super amazing. And here you can see me adjusting my new font that I again edited in PixArt over the font that I had done in Canva. And I'm just adjusting it to my liking and making sure that it looks good. And as you guys can see, I've been playing around with the happy birthday. I could not figure out how I wanted it to look. And my client gave me a couple of pictures of her beautiful daughter. So I just wanted to give her options to pick through when she decided which one she wanted for the cover. So I did both pictures and both of them were beautiful. And my client ended up going with the first one with the purple dress. But however, I just wanted to be able to give her options, and here you see me adding in my logo because I'm trying to add in more advertisement for my business, so that when other people see my products, they'll be able to know who did it. So now I am printing. I've printed out the coloring pages as well, and I know you guys didn't get to see those, but I'll add a few of those pictures in here. Here is the first page and the last page. Here's the second page, and I add in my client's pictures so that they can also color themselves. I think that's such a nice touch. Let me know what you guys think. This came out so gorgeous. My client loved it. So again, here you can see me stapling. I have a swing stapler. I'll also link that in the description box below. It really helps when you are doing coloring books. And I also decided to throw in some coloring book crayon labels to go right along with my clients' coloring books. And y'all, so while I was doing this, my son was just so over it. So here I'm trying to clean up the mess. Y'all, he was all in the closet. It was just a lot. So again, I'm putting the coloring books together. Also, here's some more footage of that. My little baby was just all over the place. And so I also again added in some coloring book labels with a similar design. And here's how it came out. Again, my client loved these so much. I did too. If you guys like this design, drop me a comment, like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to make it to 500 subscribers. I'm almost there. And also, if you need some party favors, I'll also drop my order form in the description box below as well. So if you need some, I can provide those for you. Here's some more footage of the crayon labels that I added in. And now you see me packaging the coloring books right along with the crayons. I placed mine in self-sealing poly bags, and I believe these are 9x6, so they fit perfectly for the coloring books. I will also have those linked below in the description box if you need some poly bags as well. And I'll also have the paper that I use linked in the description box. Today I use I really have been loving this pearl glossy paper from Koala. Like, it's just so cute, especially with girl designs. It just gives it a little sparkle, and it just comes out really nice. So if you do party favors, I would suggest looking into that pearl glossy photo paper. Koala, if you watching this video, you know what I'm saying, just go ahead and let's do a partnership, because I really love y'all paper. It is amazing, and my clients love it as well too. So guys, the rest of the video is just me packaging this order with my kids. And if you see my oldest son, that's my manager. He manages my business as well and really helps out a lot with packaging. And this is just real life footage, guys. Like, I'm a mom of 3, a business owner, and I also have a real job. I'm a music teacher as well, just to tell you a little bit more about myself. And this is reality. This is what most orders look like when I'm packaging them. I'm also on mommy duty, so we still get it done. We still work hard over here. So yeah, so just thank you guys for watching my video, and stay tuned for new videos. Thank you guys. Bye. Enjoy the rest of the video. Hey guys, and if you've watched this video this long, you are a real one. Just thank you for being a part of the ADM Graphics family. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when my next video drops. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Bye!